let's do a left, do a weave turn around to the left. And now do a weave turn around to the right. Now you're here in the weave. Open up your weave. Now, keep your left hand where it is. Open your legs. Stall your right poi between your legs. Turn left into the butterfly. Then you're gonna plane shift the butterfly, or if you have it, the thread the needle. Get it up over your head, tap, turn, and then you'll face your front, come into your corkscrew, and then plane shift your corkscrew up. Yes, and then once you get your corkscrew up, turn back down into the weave. So let's do the whole combination again. Now, in the version that I'm doing, I'm coming out of the corkscrew facing you, but I would normally face my audience, which is the screen, but I wanted you to be able to see it, and since you can't see it, I want to face you. So we'll do it again. I want you to do a 360 left. So go all the way around to the left. And then go all the way around to the right. Then we're going to open it up into circles, spread your legs, stall between your legs, turn left, come into overhand butterfly or thread the needle, and then plane shift it up over your head in either the butterfly or the thread the needle. Get it flat. Now from here, this is the new move we just did. Tap your butt, turn to the left, come around into the counterclockwise corkscrew, then plane shift the corkscrew up to pinwheel, and then turn back down to weave. Weave, turn around to the left, then weave, turn around to the right, then open up your weave, then open your legs, stall the right poi between your legs, turn left into overhand butterfly, plane shift it up over your head, either in the butterfly or the thread the needle. You're looking forward, tap the right poi on your butt, turn, come into your corkscrew, then plane shift your corkscrew back up to pinwheel, and then come back down into overhand weave. Okay, I'm gonna mirror you so my front is here. When you stall your right poi, which is the one closer to the kitchen, I'll stall my left poi, and then I'll mirror you. Okay, so we're in our overhand weave. You're going to turn left 360, and I'll mirror you. Then you're gonna turn right 360, and I mirror you again. Then you open up your poi, spread your legs. You should be in overhand. And then you're gonna take your right poi, which is the one that's farther from the screen, stall between the legs, and then turn toward me into overhand butterfly, not underhand, overhand. And then you're gonna plane shift it up either in the thread the needle or the butterfly, getting it up over your head. And then once you get it over your head, if you had to look up to do it, look straight ahead. And then you're gonna take and try and bend your elbows a little so that you're not fully extended like this, which I think is much harder to hold. Try and bend your elbows so that it's down closer to your head, and then you can hold it better usually. Now you're gonna take your right poi, which is my left poi, and you're gonna tap yourself on the butt, and then you're gonna turn and come around into the corkscrew. And then you're gonna turn down to the right into overhand weave. Well, to your left, sorry. You're gonna turn to your left. I turn to the right because I'm mirroring you.
Yeah.
Overhand weave. So I'm mirroring you. You're gonna turn left, but I'm turning right. 360. And then turn the other way, 360. Okay, now open it up, spread your legs, and your hand that's further from the camera, which should be your right hand, stall between your legs and come into overhand butterfly. Okay, now from this overhand butterfly, either go into thread the needle or keep it in the butterfly and plane shift it up over your head. And you may have to look at it to get it there. And then look forward. And then take your right hand, which is my left hand, come back and tap. And then turn. And then come into corkscrew. And then you're gonna come down and turn to your left, which is my right, into overhand weave. So you'll end on the opposite side that you started. Overhand weave, left turn 360, right turn 360, open it up, spread the legs, stall between the legs, into the thread the needle, plane shift it up, down with the right hand, tap, turn, corkscrew, plane shift, pinwheel, down into overhand weave. The back view, left turn, right turn, open your legs, stall the poi, turn left, thread the needle, up over the head, down and tap, turning left, counterclockwise corkscrew, plane shift it up to pinwheel, turn left to overhand weave.